Hello and welcome. I can hardly contain my excitement because today's unboxing is a super cool ukulele that I've seen online and I've wanted to have here on the channel, and I finally do, so let's get started. This thing is like staple gun shut. I don't know how I'm gonna get in here. Ooh, I just got a manicure. It's gonna get ruined. All in the name of ukes, right? Man. Hold on a second. I'm trying to Hulk my way into this box. Yes! By the way, if you want to skip to any part of the video, use the timestamps on the first comment below. And if you have more questions or want to order this ukulele, I will have a link in the description box for you. The ukuleles that I unbox here in the channel, I'll keep for a few videos and then I end up giving away. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram to hear news about future giveaways and new ukuleles that come into the market. Alrighty, let's see. Ooh, bubble wrap. Who does not love bubble wrap? You know you're a 90s kid, or at least older than 90s, if you played with bubble wrap, right? That's something that I did. And I grew up in the desert, and the summers are really rough. So as a kid you can't go outside and play in the summer, so I would do board games and play a bit with bubble wrap. And I remember I used to read the encyclopedia for fun. That was my thing when I was growing up. Okay, let's get in here. Oh yeah. Okay, are we ready? We are not ready. Oh. Boom, boom. Wow. Boom. Oh my gosh. That is a cool looking headstock. Oh my word. Okay, you ready? Yes. 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 Okay, never mind. I'm not giving it away. I'm just kidding. This is so sexy! Wow, this is a cool uke! This is so awesome. I've never seen a ukulele like this before. Look at that tiny headstock and look at how shiny that is. I know that, on ukuleles what we want is the sound. Okay, whatever. But I love, everything. I love the aesthetics and I love sound and I love something that's unique and cool and different. So we're going to talk about all that here. It's kind of minimalist, right? Even the sticker on the inside, very minimalist. This might appeal to the minimalists in the house. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the specifications on this instrument, and then we'll do some close-ups and a playing demonstration. This is the KLOS carbon fiber acoustic ukulele, and please excuse me if my pronunciation on that was not the right way to say it. I'm trying. This is a tenor sized ukulele. The body is made of carbon fiber composite. We have a 17-inch scale length. It's 43 centimeters. And the neck is mahogany. The fingerboard is Blackwood, and this has 19 frets. The overall length is 25 inches or 634 millimeters. The body width is 9.2 inches. Or 233 millimeters. The body depth is 3 inches, 75 millimeters. And the ukulele weighs 1.36 pounds, which is 0.62 kilograms. The nut and saddle are polymer. So here is why this ukulele is different. I'm reading this from the KLOS website. While wooden ukuleles need bracing and kerfing to support the thin wood and corners, our instruments feature a proprietary one-piece body design. On the KLOS ukulele, there are no bottom corners to crack or dent. Temperature and humidity won't damage a KLOS. We ran one over with a Prius and it didn't break. The carbon fiber body and soundboard give the KLOS ukulele additional properties that prevent warping and cracking due to temperature changes. to hear in the comments below what you think about this ukulele. Like, pause before I tell you my thoughts and then come back and play so I can tell you what I think. Okay, go. So what I think about this ukulele, first of all, having lived in like really extreme weather, like super dry and super humid, I always like ukuleles that kind of are more resistant and durable for that. Like I have ukuleles with humidifiers and everything, but it's something that now I don't have to worry about. The fact that this ukulele has been run over by a Prius, like I know I don't need a ukulele that can be durable against a Prius running over. Like that's not a typical situation, but what I like knowing is that if I'm traveling, if they tell me that it can't go with me on the plane, if it gets thrown down in the checked, what is that, cargo? I will rest easier knowing that I have a KLOS ukulele. Like, I'm not trying to advertise it at all, but like that's one of the things I think about when I travel. Like, I really do get scared. It's a fear of mine that someday someone will say, like, you can't take this instrument with you on the plane and that I'll have to send it under. Like, that is a fear that I have. Listening to the sound of the instrument, like, I honestly was expecting something that sounded a little bit more... I guess like I wasn't expecting the quality sound that I heard on this instrument, so that was a very pleasant surprise. And what else, it felt very comfortable to play. Like those bar chords just kind of were really smooth. The tuners, because the headstock is so tiny, I did feel like, oh, it's different. Like I can't just turn here, I had to turn like from out here, which is a tiny little detail to notice. It's just, I play with so many ukes, like when something stands out, it's very obvious. So when you're tuning, you will have to adjust if you have the ukuleles, like you just have to tune from out here, fingertips, instead of like hand inside, which is what I'm used to. But I'm willing to adjust because the headstock is so tiny and cute and minimalist and different that I don't care that I have to make a tiny little adjustment. I like that these are white, even though the whole ukulele is black. I think that these tuning caps have like a more aesthetic, higher end look to them. So yeah, we have the fret buttons on the front and the side, and the entire ukulele is just so cool. I'm very pleased with it. You can tell that it's a quality instrument, that a lot of thought went into it, and that, I mean, if you end up with this instrument, I think it'll be a keeper for you. You'll be happy with it. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing. It was different and unique and fun. And as long as you guys keep liking these, I will keep doing them. If you would like to learn how to play ukulele, see other unboxings and reviews, or take part in our challenges, then join the family by subscribing to the channel. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!